How to fix camera issue on Galaxy Tab A. If your Galaxy Tab A camera keeps stopping and you have no idea why. In this video I will walk you through the troubleshooting. The first way to fix it is that I'm getting the error. Sometimes, camera issues show up with a specific error code or message. If you are unable to use the camera app and an error appears when you try to launch it, be sure to note the error. Next, do a Google search on the subject to see if there is any solution available online for a particular error. If there is no error at all or if the solution you found doesn't work, continue troubleshooting below. Galaxy Tab camera keeps turning off. Fix number 2. Troubleshoot camera app. Focusing your troubleshooting on camera functionality is not a bad idea. There are a number of camera-specific steps you can try. Force quit the camera app. Restarting a misbehaving app has always been an essential Android fix. If the Galaxy Tab A camera keeps stopping without any apparent reason, then this should be one of the first things to do. Here are 2 ways to force close an app. Method 1. Close an app using the Recent Apps key. On your screen, tap the Recent Apps soft button, to the left of the Home middle button. Once the Recent Apps screen appears, swipe left or right to search for the app. It should be here if you managed to get it to work earlier. Then swipe the app to close it. This should close it by force. If it is not there, just click on Close All to restart all applications as well. Method 2. Close an app using the App Info menu. Another way to force close an app is to go into the settings of the app itself. It is a longer method as compared to the first method above, but just as effective. You want to use this method if you plan to perform other troubleshooting operations for the said app, like clearing cache or data. Here's how it's done. Open the Settings app. Click Applications. Tap the More Settings icon, 3-dot icon, top right. Click Show System Apps. Find the app and tap on it. Tap Force Stop. Reset. If you are able to load the camera app normally, you may be able to fix the problem by resetting the app settings. Here's how. Open the camera app. Click the setup icon, the gear icon at the top left. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Reset Settings. Click Reset to confirm. Clear the camera app cache. Another way to fix the camera issue is to clear the cache. Camera app in Samsung devices can sometimes encounter errors due to corrupted cache. To ensure that the camera cache is working, consider performing the following steps. Go to the home screen. Click on the Applications icon. Open the Settings app. Click Applications. If you're looking for a default system or app, tap More Options at the top right, 3-dot icon. Select Show System Apps. Find and tap Camera. Click Storage. Click the Clear Cache button. Check for the problem. Clear data. Sometimes clearing app cache may require a more rigorous proceeding. Try clearing the app's data to bring its settings back to defaults if clearing cache doesn't work. Here's how. Go to the home screen. Click on the Applications icon. Open the Settings app. Click Applications. If you're looking for a default system or app, tap More Options at the top right, 3-dot icon. Select Show System Apps. Find and tap Camera. Click Storage. Click on the Clear Data button. Check for the problem. The third fix is to update the app and Android system. Some application bugs may be fixed just by changing some icons. If you are getting the Galaxy Tab A camera keeps stopping, it might be due to bad code. Make sure to check for App Update to fix it. If the problem is known to Samsung, then there may already be an update for it. Updating the default camera app is easy. Here's how. Open the camera app. Click on the settings icon, the gear in the top left. Scroll down to the bottom and tap About Camera. Click Update. If there is no update button, it means that the app is running the latest version. Galaxy Tab camera keeps turning off. Fix number 4. Soft reset. If troubleshooting the camera app won't help and the Galaxy Tab camera keeps stopping, make sure that your next step would be to restart the tablet itself. This is usually effective for bugs that develop when the device has been running for a long time. Try to restart it normally first by pressing the power button to get to the boot menu. After that, select the reboot option and see if that works. Another way to restart the device is to press and hold the volume down button and the power key simultaneously for 10 seconds or until the device screen turns on. This simulates the effect of disconnecting the battery from the device. If this works, it may unlock the device. If performing a regular restart did not help, try the following. Press and hold the volume down button first and do not release it. While holding it, press and hold the power key. Hold both keys pressed for 10 seconds or more. The second restart procedure attempts to simulate the effects of removing the battery pack. On older devices, disconnecting the battery is often an effective method in fixing unresponsive devices. If nothing changes, move on to the next suggestions. Regularly restarting your device at least once every week can be beneficial. If you tend to forget things, we suggest that you configure your phone to restart on its own. You can schedule it to do this task by doing the following steps. Open the Settings app. Click Device Care. Click on the 3 dots at the top. Select Auto Restart. Galaxy Tab camera keeps turning off. Fix number 5. Wipe cache partition. If the camera starts to misbehave after installing an update, app, or APK, the system cache may be corrupt or outdated. A situation like this can lead to all kinds of problems, so be sure to wipe the cache partition. To refresh the system cache. To ensure that the system cache is in good shape, try wiping the cache partition. Here's how. Turn off the device. This is important. If you can't turn it off, you'll never be able to boot into recovery mode. If you are not able to turn off the device regularly via the power button, then wait until the phone battery is dead. After that, charge the phone for 30 minutes before booting into recovery mode. Press and hold the volume up and power buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. Release the power and volume up buttons. The recovery screen menu will now appear. Use the volume down button until you highlight Wipe Cache Partition. Press the power button to select Wipe Cache Partition. Use volume down to select Yes. Press the power button to proceed with wiping cache partition. After wiping the cache partition, press the power button again to reboot system now. Galaxy Tab camera stops. Fix number 6. Reset app preferences. Some apps may require default system apps and services. If some of these default apps are not working, the apps that require them may work poorly. To make sure that default apps are enabled, follow these steps. Open the Settings app. Click on Applications. Tap More Settings at the top right. 3-dot icon. Select Reset App Preferences. Restart Tab A and check for the problem. Galaxy Tab camera keeps stopping. Fix number 7. Monitor safe mode. One of the reasons why your Android device or app may be misbehaving is a bad third-party app. To check if you have installed a poorly coded app, restart your device to safe mode. While in safe mode, All third-party apps will be suspended. If the camera app works normally in safe mode, you can bet that there is a third-party app behind it. To boot the device in safe mode, turn off the device. Press and hold the power key. When Samsung appears on the screen, release the power key. Immediately after releasing the power key, press and hold the volume down key. Keep holding the volume down key until the device finishes rebooting. This may take up to 1 minute. Just be patient to wait for it. Release the volume down key when you see safe mode on the device. Remember that third-party apps are disabled in this mode, so what you can use are pre-installed apps. Uninstall the app you installed recently and see if that fixes it. If the problem remains, use the removal process to identify the rogue application. Here's how. Boot into safe mode. Check for the problem. Once you are sure that a third-party app is to blame, you can start uninstalling the apps individually. We suggest that you start with the most recent one you added. After uninstalling an app, restart the phone to normal mode and check for the problem. If your Galaxy Tab A still gets stuck in normal mode, but works in safe mode, repeat steps 1 to 4. To return to normal mode or turn off safe mode, press and hold the power key. Click Restart. Devices are restarted in normal mode. Galaxy Tab camera keeps stopping. Fix number 8. Erase device. Sometimes camera errors can be caused by a software bug and normal troubleshooting may not help. To see if the problem is fixable on your level, the last step that you can do is a factory reset. As the name suggests, this will restore the program to default settings and erase everything that is not part of the original software package. Factory reset is usually effective in fixing issues with software-related causes. There are 2 ways to reset your Galaxy Tab A to factory settings. Learn about each of them below. To avoid losing your photos, videos, documents, contacts, and other irreplaceable things, make sure to back them up first. You can use Smart Switch for that. Here are 2 methods on how you can soft reset your Galaxy Tab A. Method 1. How to hard reset on Samsung Galaxy Tab A via Settings menu. Under normal circumstances, factory reset should be under the Settings menu.